Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila and this is a channel where I welcome you to try and explore a lot of patterns, a lot of stitches, a lot of everything that I can do. And in this time I am showing you something very pretty. It's a stitch, knit stitch with a very simple function, very simple pattern, and suitable even for summer knitting because you have a little bit of open work here. It creates like an open work. This is the front, which is so cute, so gentle, so easy to make. This is the back. The back is simple, as you can see. It's nothing complicated. This pattern is only 2 rows and it's very easy. The first row is the main row and then the second one is a basic row, which is very simple. So I've got 21 loops cast on. Hopefully you are able to cast on and knit front stitches on the back, and on the front only front stitches for a couple of rows to do like that, and then you start off doing this pattern. So this pattern is very easy to do. It's really for beginners. Easy. It's so easy and so quick to do. It's just a couple of steps and this is all. My needles are size number 5 and the yarn is acrylic yarn, which gives you a lot of stretch. In this case it's pink color, which I love so much. It looks terrific, this pattern. And so let's begin then. Let me show you how this pattern is easy to do. So with the right needle we grab the first loop, we do not knit it. The second loop we knit it with a purl stitch, and then we do, so you see 2 loops, and in between these 2 loops we put through this right needle like so. We grab the yarn from behind to the front, and then we rotate it and grab these 2 loops and we knit them with a front stitch together. And this is supposed to be this effect which gives you this stitch. So a purl stitch, and then we see 2 front stitches. We take the right needle and we grab the yarn from behind, hold it with a finger, and then we knit these 2 yarns, 2 loops together. So purl stitch, in between the 2 loops we grab the yarn from behind, hold it with a finger, and 2 together with a front stitch, purl stitch, and we do the same thing over and over again. You can slow down, you can watch this video slowly, you can rewatch it in the beginning where I explain how to do it. So this is the basic, the front row, and the last stitch we always knit with a purl stitch. So we turn the work and knit the second row, which is the final row for this stitch. So the first loop we do not knit, we just pass it on to the right needle, and we basically knit what we see. So we see a front stitch, we knit the front stitch. We see here 2 purl stitches, we knit them as 2 purl stitches. Front stitch, purl stitches, 1 front stitch, 2 purl stitches, 1 front stitch, 2 purl stitches. So that's how you end the second row. You knit the last one, the last loop, always with a purl stitch. We turn the work to the front and we begin to do the same thing over and over again. So we do not knit the first loop, we just transfer it. And what we do, we transfer it onto the right needle, the first loop, we do not knit it, and then we knit the second loop with a purl stitch, and then we see 2 front stitches. We knit through the 2 and then we knit these 2 loops together. So basically we knit 2 loops in such a way that we create another 2 loops. So basically it's just the same, and we rotate them and it creates this pattern, which is very gentle, very nice. I love it so much. I hope you love it too. Thank you very much for coming to my channel and for subscribing and for liking my videos and for leaving messages. I will be happy to know what you're knitting these days and with what patterns. I hope you will knit something with my patterns, and you're going to be happy and get a lot of compliments. And if you are a beginner in knitting, this is not difficult to do. So I wish you luck in your creations. I'm Anna Vanila, and thank you very much for watching this video. Love you lots and see you soon in my next video. Please stay tuned and watch it, and because it will be useful for you if you are into knitting and crocheting. So thank you very much for stopping by, and see you next time.